Alright guys, they just had a deal drop at the 99 store, and those eyelashes, those are worth purchasing. That is a great deal, great value at our favorite 99. I like those type of eyelashes. They got two for $4.99. I'm gonna go and check it out and see if they actually have them at my location. There's two of my favorite 99s that are nearby that I can stop by, and we'll check it out. But I've tried those lashes before, and I like those. They're very easy, especially if you really don't know how to put on eyelashes. Those are pretty simple, and they're very easy, and they don't irritate the eyes. So we're going to go ahead and swing by our favorite 99 and see what they have in store. So they didn't have the mascara, but I got some salsa.